Hey guys, Mr. Knackers here. I just want you to get some idea of page 363 a little bit. You should have watched the YouTube videos and you should have watched the Realize video. And then the next part of the 2-day math lesson on OneNote was to work on page 363. I'm going to start with question number 2 on page 363. So we can kind of get some idea. Maybe I can give you some strategies and some things that you can do on that one. So question number 2 starts off with, which of the following are less than 8? So this one is 8 times 9/10. Okay. Now, remember, 8 written as a fraction, it doesn't matter in this sense, is because we're really just focusing on the fraction that you see here. If the fraction is less than 1, then the product is going to be less than 8. If the fraction is greater than 1, the product is going to be greater than 8. If the fraction is equal to 1, then the product is going to be equal to 8. So in this case, if I look at 9/10, I know that 9/10 is less than 1 whole. So I know that this one is going to be less than 8. Because I know this. If I write some things down over here, I know that 8 times 1 equals 8. And I know that 9/10 is not equal to 1. I know it's less than 1. So then I know my answer for this one is going to be less than. So this would be also one I would select. Okay, for the next one, it's 8 times 7/6. Okay, and we know that 7/6 is a fraction greater than 1. So we know that this one is going to be greater than 1. Remember, 8 times 1 equals 8. Anything greater than 1 is going to give me an answer greater than 8. So then I wouldn't select this one. I wouldn't circle it. Okay, then the last one says 3/5 times 8. Okay, and it doesn't matter whether the 8's in the beginning or the 8's at the end. It doesn't matter. You're focusing on the 3/5. Okay, and we know that 3/5 is less than 1. Okay, because remember, 8 times 1 equals 8, and anything that's greater than 1 is going to be greater than, anything less than 1 is going to be less than 8. So this one was less than, so this would be also one that I would circle. So the answer for question number 2 is 8 times 9/10 is the correct answer, and 3/5 times 8 is the correct answer, because they both are going to be less than 1.